A ball mouse is an older type of computer mouse that relies on the rolling back mechanism to track movement. Here's an overview on its working principle. The ball mouse is designed to be moved across a flat surface, such as a mousepad or a desk. As you move the mouse, the ball on its underside also moves. The key component of a ball mouse is a small rubber or plastic ball located in a cavity on the underside of the mouse. This ball is in direct contact with the surface and rotates freely as the mouse is moved. Inside the mouse, there are typically two rollers, positioned at right angles to each other. These rollers are in contact with the rotating ball. Each roller is connected to an optical sensor or an encoder. As the ball rotates, it causes the rollers to turn, and this movement is detected by the sensors or the encoders. The information from the sensors or the encoders is then translated into cursor movement on the computer screen. The direction and the speed of the mouse's movements are determined by how the ball rotates and how the rollers turn. The mouse is connected to the computer via a cable in the case of an older ball mice or wirelessly in the case of some newer ball mice. It communicates the movement data to the computer, which then updates the cursor position accordingly. Over time, dust and dirt can accumulate on the ball and the rollers, leading to decreased accuracy and responsiveness. Users need to periodically clean the ball and the internal components to ensure smooth operation. Ball mice were widely used in the past but have largely been replaced by optical and laser mice, which use light or laser sensors to track movement. These newer mice are more precise and do not require a rolling ball, making them more reliable and easier to maintain.